In a coordinating conjunction, they join words, phrases or clause having equal importance. So tell me whether they are dependent clause or independent clause which are connected by coordinating conjunctions.
Ma'am, independent.
Yes, they are independent. Both the sentences are of equal importance. That means both the sentences can stand alone. They make a complete meaning in themselves. For example, can you use any of these examples to make a compound sentence? If I ask you to make a sentence with but or so or and or nor, yet, for, can you make one sentence? Yes, Chitrarthi? Give me the sentence.
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Very good.
Ma'am, I want to bake a cake, but I don't have flour.
Yes, I want to bake a cake. That's an independent sentence, that I want to bake a cake. And what is the next sentence? But, Chitrarthi, now you are invisible and you are on mute. Yes, what is your second sentence?
Yes. Ma'am,
you want to bake a cake, but what?
But I don't have flour.
Yes, you do not have flour. So I want to bake a cake is a independent sentence. I don't have flour, that is again an independent sentence. And we are using coordinating conjunctions to connect two sentences. So the final sentence becomes the compound sentence becomes, I want to bake a cake, but I don't have flour. Yes. So, Sayush, can you give some other example using any of the coordinating conjunctions given here?
Yes, ma'am. I was tired, yet I played football. I
was tired is an independent clause. I played football, that is an independent clause. And we connect both of them using a coordinating conjunction, yet. So both of them can stand alone. But when we combine both of them, two independent clauses, when connected with the help of a coordinating conjunction, the sentence is called compound sentence. What it is called?
Compound sentence.
Yes. But if we use subordinating conjunctions, there we have one dependent clause which depends on the other independent clause. So the sentence which is connected with the help of subordinating conjunctions will be called complex sentence. Complex. Chitrarthi, can you tell me compound means using which conjunction? Compound sentence means using which conjunction? Coordinating, है ना?
Coordinating.
See here, these are coordinating, and when we combine both of them, we combine two independent clauses with the help of these coordinating conjunctions. What is going to happen? The sentence will be
compound.
Yes, the sentence will be compound. But if we use subordinating conjunctions, then the sentence will be complex. Very good. So how many types of sentence will be there? One is simple sentence without conjunction. One is using coordinating conjunctions, which becomes
compound.
yes, compound. And one is using subordinating conjunctions, which will become
Complex.
yes, complex. So tell me, how many types of sentences are there?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Yes.
I'm asking how many types of sentences are there? Yes.
3.
Very good. Yes, 3. So first is simple. Simple. Second is
The sentence compound.
compound. And third is
Complex.
complex. So one is without conjunctions. Second is using coordinating conjunctions, that becomes compound. And third is using
Complex.
using
Coordinating
subordinating conjunctions, which becomes a complex sentence. Can you please repeat? Sayush? How many types of sentences? How many types of sentences?
3.
Okay, which one?